What's up, guys? This is Little John again, and I'm back again for another. Well, I keep saying again. So I'm back again for another tutorial on Minecraft checkpoint. So if you're the usage of this, if you want to make an OB or some sort of checkpoint, then you need to do this in order for the players, if they die on a certain level, they respawn at a specific area that you want them to be spawned on. So first of all, here's the blocks that I need. Oh, we will use. We have here the block of gold and the block of diamond. Here's the check state, and here's the already used state. Here's the static. It's just a block, selective block. So here we have a sensor. It detects all of the player at the block beneath the player. Over here, detect -1. Then the block that we need to detect, for our example here, we have this gold block at state of 0. Then say a command good, and to see the output if it's working, double checking everything. As you can see, it glows and says good. So that's how it works. So and then we need to make a checkpoint or checklist over here. Let's change this up and then make this a spawn. Wait a minute, spawn point. So spawn point. So there, it's working. Wait, I need to make an output checker. So sometimes, see, I already have checked on this spawn point. So if I die, kill self, I will respawn on this location over here because I step on it. But this is not the thing that we're going to use. We need to make a off state. So if a person, we can make it all. So it's for all, for a multiplayer. So here it's for multiplayer. If they step on it, on this part, it will be deactivated. So the next person who's stepping here would not be activated, and the only checkpoint that is activated. Sorry for the ringtone. Is the next option, or the next checkpoint is. Let's make a diagram over here. He's the next checkpoint. So if you step on here, it's deactivated and turned into diamond. Then the next checkpoint will be here. So what we're gonna do is to clone this up, polish this up, chain always. Redstone is always active. Then over here we need. Oh my goodness, my phone's kept on ringing. Sorry, wait. I'm just gonna record and then upload this. No editing required. So we have here. So set. Let's make it feel. Here's much complicated. So careful of using this one as your. Then diamond block 0 replace gold block. And then if it runs like this, ta-da! So wait, if it's run there, so wait a minute. Oh, sorry. That clear self, kill self. So we spawn not here because we already activated this checkpoint. So if we go here, as you can see, we activated the checkpoint. As for example, let's kill ourselves. So we're now at the new checkpoint. So it's endless possibility with these two command blocks here. We can add stack here with sound effects, or let's say a title or some note that you've checked your command block. Wait, let's condition. Let's say Wait. I can't use anything like command F4 or command F4, command C and command control A and control C. Sorry. So let's say title of action bar saved. Oh my goodness, my keyboard. Let's make it like yellow. There you go. Oh, save. So get that running. Technically, your game will be like command block output false, and then game rule block output command block send will be off as well. As you can see, so it's much cleaner. Then if you step on this one, game mode S, see save, and then that, then kill ourselves. There you go. Then we are here. We got the save. Then over here, save again. We kill ourselves. Voila, we are on the other side of the checkpoint. If you want to reload them, just make a command block that change this into gold block, or put a armor stand beneath it, then put a timer so you can change it remotely on your map, around the map. So this is the Lisa John, and that's how you make a checkpoint. And do comment down below if what contraptions do you like me to do. Yeah, to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to check us on Twitter, Studio, on the link description. Adios.